So this question is asking which of the following is the formula for the nth term. So we're not finding the sum, even though they have plus signs here. We're finding just the nth term. And so first, we know how to find it if it's arithmetic or geometric. So let's check that first. I see it's plus 3. This is plus 5, plus 7. So already, no, these are not adding over and over again. So we don't have a common difference. So next we can check, do we have a common ratio? Am I multiplying by something over and over again? And it doesn't look like it, right? Here I have to multiply by 10 over 7, then 15 over 10. So this is not working. So it's not any of them. So we don't have any specific way that we learned on how to solve this, but we can at least check the multiple choices and see if it really is a rule for the nth term. And remember, all we have to do is plug in the numbers and we should get the number in that position. For example, if I plug in a 1 into the rule, it should give me a 7. If I plug in a 2, it should give me the second term, a 10. If I plug in a 3, it should give me 15, and so on. So let's just try this. So let's try A. If I plug in a 1, it should give me 7. So plugging in my 1, I get 6 minus 3 is 3. So this did not work. It's not A. Now let's try this one. If I plug in a 1, it should give me 7. So that's 1 to the third plus 6. That's 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay, that one works, but let's try the second one. So if I plug in a 2, I should get the second term, which is 10. So I get 8 plus 6, which is 14. So that did not work, so it's not B. Let's move on to C. If I plug in a 1, I get 5, which is not that. It must be D. Let's just check it. So this is going to be 1 squared plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 squared plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10, right? So the third term should give, number 3 should give me 15. So that's 3 squared, which is 9, plus 6 is 15. And I'll just check the last one just since it's here. 4 squared is 16, plus 6 is 22. So we see we get those terms by plugging in the first, second, third, fourth into there. So the answer is D.